Trust the damn process. Don't trust your gut. Our guts lie to us so often. And the reason why we lie to ourselves in sales is it's usually the people that are like, oh, hell yeah, we're going with you, that just don't want to have conflict and tell you what they think you want to hear. And then it's the people that ghost you, that are grumpy, that don't call back, that you call them and you're like, I got nothing better to do. I think I'll just call Sean. And Sean's like, man, I'm glad you called. We're ready to go. Where do I send this contract over to you? And you're like, is this the same person? It's usually the people that are about to actually make it. The real buyers typically aren't your best friends, right? And the people that are super nice to you are just trying to get a column B checked off so that they can go with their brother-in-law's company. It's really weird, but we've all experienced that. It's like an inverse some of the time. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.